So today I'm gonna explain why I think that life is like a chart. And by the way, if you haven't seen my first video, please feel free to do so. Um, Today I'm basically gonna talk about the same thing, but I'm gonna explain it like on the screen actually. So we see a chart and we have price going up, we have price going down, we have price moving sideways for a little bit, we have some kind of, I don't know what I want to do. What do I want to go up? Do I want to go down? I'm not sure. Then we have another move up, and finally a big move down. And I think, I mean, life it's like the same thing, right? So I don't know, maybe we are in love and everything is fine, and then we lose our job, and then nothing really happens, right? And then maybe we want to do something, but we are like unsure, and finally, I don't know, our car breaks down. Yeah? Let's say this. So now, watch what happens when we add structure, when we begin to look with intention like a trader who's learned to wait and to have patience. So if we zoom a little bit out, we start to see, wait a second, we can add some kind of channel right here. Yeah, we start to see that price is moving in a certain range. Okay, so if we zoom a little bit more in, we can start to see that we can draw another channel like here. And if we look further, we can add this kind of um, um, support zone, which wasn't, um, which was actually a support zone right here. And after the price dropped down and came back up in a like corrective, choppy way, which is kind of corrective, um, and it starts to react inside of this rectangle, inside of this support zone, which now looks like a resistance zone. Things are gonna make a little more sense, I would say. We are not just looking at a naked chart, so we are adding some structure. And if we continuing using like something like Fibonacci's, yeah, we see, okay, we've reacted not only at the 200 moving average, but also at the golden ratio 0.618. And now we are starting to see a really nice move down. So for me, this was a chart from 14th of August, I think. Yes, of course, you can see it down here. 14th of August. It's obviously a replay right now, but it was a real trade I took. And at this point, exactly at this point, with this nice candle, I went short. Actually, it wasn't right here. It was, so here I placed my short tool. I set my stop loss above this previous high. And now let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. So we have some kind of, price. You have always give the price the opportunity to move a little bit around. Yeah, you have to give him a certain stop loss. And so after a few movements up and down, we finally break, yeah, with it. So something like this doesn't happen every day. It was a nice day. I pretty much was done after like, I don't know, like 10 minutes maybe. And yeah, that's why we can use something like a really nice, good working trading strategy to know, to see how the market is possibly moving. Like a strategy like this, guys, doesn't work every time. In fact, you are gonna lose more of the times. But if you have an edge, you are always gonna win. This means in this trade I made like 2.5 risk factors. Let's say you win like 40% of your trades and you're losing 60% of them, you can still be really, really, really profitable. Because when you lose one risk factor, and when you win 2.5, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 risk factors. I don't want to go much deeper into this. I'm not intended to make a trading video right now, today. I just want to show you how a naked chart, and I'm going to show it you again, how a naked chart just doesn't tell us nothing, right? It's just, I don't know what to do right now. But if I have a good working trading strategy and I learn to apply that strategy, I can do things like this. And this is exactly what happens when you walk with God. He doesn't show always the whole move, but he give us structure. He gives us a manual which we can use to live a better life, to become a good person, to be successful, to find love, to become wealthy, and last but not least, to serve people. Because guys, I tell you something, God has blessed every one of us with a gift, and we first of all we have to figure out what gift we have, and it isn't always that simple, I know, but once you figure out what your gift is, use that gift to bless other people. Because if you look at Jesus, when he was on earth, he served other people. That's basically what he did all his life. If you read Mark 10:45, for even the Son of Man did not come to be served, but to serve, and to give his life as a ransom for many. A really beautiful verse. And yeah, that's basically it. That's basically why I think that life is like a chart, why I created this channel. And I hope you liked it. I hope you liked this video. Thank you all for spending some time with me. Please feel free to leave a like, to subscribe, and to maybe write me a comment. You know, this channel is like new. I have this is like the second video, and I have to figure out what kind of content you guys like. So if you just talk to me, I can apply that in my future videos. So please let me know if you liked it, if you want to go me deeper into charts, deeper into scripture. I will do it in any ways. Like, even if you say me just do charts, I will do scripture as well. But I try to combine it in a way that you guys maybe like and feel comfortable. So thank you for watching. God bless you.